The frame is custom. It's fully custom, designed by me and Tijon. Tijon is the owner of Tuned. He's also partners with Vincent. You know, this thing is very new to me. It's been 4 months since I got it. I'm still feeling it out. I'm still riding as much as I can. It is made out of titanium and is also 3D printed. So the lugs are 3D printed. Head tube is 3D printed. C junction is 3D printed. Top of the saddle, 3D printed. Bottom bracket area also 3D printed. Same thing with dropouts. Yeah, I mean, this thing fucking rips, dude. That's all I can say.